Let's make a healthy avocado sandwich. Perfect for Tiffin.
Let's start with 2 tablespoons of hung curd. This gives a nice creamy base. Add 1 ripe avocado nice and soft. Now add 2 tablespoons of chopped capsicum. It adds a nice crunch. Add 2 tablespoons of finely chopped onion. Now add 1 tablespoon olives for a slight tangy taste. Season with salt to taste and about 1/4 teaspoon each of pepper and oregano. Mix everything well until nice and creamy. Toast the bread until lightly golden and crisp.
Now spread the mixture evenly, don't overfill.
Cover and press gently. Cut it nicely. Look at that fresh filling.
Perfect healthy Tiffin, quick and delicious.
Follow for more easy and tasty recipes.